Hello guys, in today's video I will try to explain ChatGPT Plus method, okay? How you can get ChatGPT Plus 1 year account for free without paying any single penny, okay? So watch this video till end if you want to get ChatGPT Plus account. So let's start, okay? Okay, first of all you need to connect VPN, okay? I'm using browser VPN because I'm doing this process on PC laptop, okay? So you can get extension from Google or Brave browser, which one you use, okay? So you can see here a US VPN connected on this tab. Okay, after this you can see there I have mentioned all these steps. I will post these steps in comment of this video, okay? In description or comment, okay? So first of all you need to log in your ChatGPT account, okay? I have logged in my ChatGPT account, and after that you have to uh, join this Telegram bot using this link, okay? So you can copy this, you can click on this link, this will redirect you to Telegram, or you can copy this link and send to anyone on your own ID on Telegram, and after clicking you will join this bot, okay? You can see. Okay, so you can see there is options of verify, and you can start this bot, and when you click on help, okay, help button, you will get these options. You can check your balance, you can invite someone. You know, normally when you will start bot you will get 1 credit, but for account verification we have need 5 credits. So you can invite your friends or anyone, or you can get, you can get credit by joining your own accounts. If you have others Telegram account, so you can send this link to that IDs and you can get joined from that account. So you will get 5 credit overall when you refer 2 friends, and by referring each person you will get 2 credit. After that you can copy veteran links from description, which I will provide, and you can open this in a new tab, and after that get click on verify eligibility. Here is the page. So you don't need to fill anything here. Just copy the link and go to Telegram bot. And select verify button. Okay. Here you need to enter like this /verify space and paste your link here. Okay, now it's pending. In one attempt, if it's not successful, you can repeat this process again and again. By trying many attempts, hope so you will get succeed. Okay. And when you get verified, you can proceed with payment procedure. It was unsuccessful. Now I'm trying again here. Okay. It's showing error, no problem. Click on try again and again, verify eligibility. Okay. And again, copy the link. /verify and paste the link after space. Okay, it's pending. So if one attempt it's not successful, you can try another attempt. Just refresh the SheerID link every time. Okay, don't paste old link, it will not work. You need to go to ChatGPT SheerID link and refresh it, and after that copy that link and you can paste it again here. Again I'm copying the link, it was unsuccessful. Error. Again repeat the same process. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting. Finally, after many attempts, I have got success. Okay, so it's have been verified after many attempts. Okay, if you not successful after 1 or 2 attempts, try again. Let's try again and again. So hope so you will get to. And now I will continue with claim offer. It's loading. Okay, now this page will redirect us to payment page. So we have need to add payment method, which we will generate from bin. Okay, we will not our own card. I will generate it from bin. Okay, so you can see here it's showing $0, $0 cost for this, and I will here bin method. I will use here bin method. Okay, so for bin method you can copy this bin and go to Namsogen website. Okay, Namsogen, this is the website, and after opening this website, go to advanced option and paste your that bin here in the bin option and click on generate. After clicking on generate, you will get card numbers. So paste it here and use this expiration date. Okay, which I will provide you on description or comment box. Okay, so use this CVC 000. Okay, and after that enter the name, enter the address. Okay, use this address which I provide you in description or comment box. Okay, this is the address. Okay, now I'm going to subscribe. If one card is not worked, you can go to again that website, copy another card and paste it here. Try to use different card, okay, from same website. If all these not work, try to generate another one and try from that. So hope so. Normally it works after 1 or 2 or 3 attempts. Okay, click on this captcha. After verification, this will processing. Okay, so after processing, we will know that it's worked or not. Yeah, it's worked in the first time. It's worked. So that's great. Now you can see that our ChatGPT Plus account is verified now, and we have got for 1 year ChatGPT Plus account. You can see here. So if you like this video, please follow me for more content. I will try to upload this type of content in my IB, in my channel. Okay, thank you.